Happy Halloween, Sierra, you little lamb. Oh, there's Trogdor. Is that the candy that you got? No, you can't eat that. That's got a wrapper on it. And you already had dinner, Missy. And Trogdor's not going to eat it either. There you are. Hi. Let's see that little lamb tail. Where's that little lamb tail? I want to see the lamb tail. You and Trogdor are going to fight over this, aren't you, at your first Halloween? Well, it's really your second Halloween. Trogs, no. Happy Halloween.